Hi, I'm Drew Finn, Master Home Inspector. I've been inspecting for over 24 years. Today we're going to describe how to install an electrical receptacle for ExpertVillage.com. Okay, strip gauge is right on the bottom here. As you can see, it's just, maybe you can't see, it's just a little too long, so I'm just going to nip off a little bit. Now it matches the strip gauge perfectly. So we insert it in this side, black the brass, and tighten the screw. And now you have a tight fit. And we do the same with the others. Loosen it. Insert the white. The white goes to the silver screw. Tighten it up. That's in there good. Now we'll do the ground. On the ground we need to bend the ground wire clockwise, so when the screw tightens it would tighten up on the wire. And when we're all done, we want that to have about a 3/4 inch, 3/4 of the way around, grabbing that screw. So we insert it around like that. Then we tighten the screw clockwise. We're at very gentle pressure, holding the wire as we tighten it.